When purchasing products, whether it's generators or any equipment, we look at the quality, not just on the cost, the purchase cost. Because you can get lots of generators and equipment in the marketplace which is cheap, but then reliability and the service backup is very poor. That's why we went with JCB, as it's a global brand, and we know the backup is there when you need it. Hi, I'm Jamie Smale, General Manager of Khansaheb Sykes Dewatering. We've been based in the UAE since 1976. We're part of the Sykes Pump Group, a UK company. We're here as a dewatering contractor, and dewatering is reducing the water table on projects to allow excavations to continue and foundations to be built. We bought the Q65s, 6 number. We bought the QS 115s. 2 number, and last year we bought 2 QS 65s. So all in all we have 10 JCB generators. Reliability on the JCB product or our own product is major, because with dewatering, if you have a power failure and the water gets back into the site, it can have massive repercussions on us. So having a reliable generator with backup and service is a major factor. Having the live link benefits us as a company. We run a hire fleet on pumps of nearly 1,000 units. We have 50 units of generators, and to try and keep control and track when they need servicing, we service every 250 hours. So when you have a vast fleet of equipment that needs servicing, to have the notification and the email to say your generators are due for service is a great benefit. Well, we use the live link to make sure our generators are where they should be. The benefit of live link is if a generator does go missing from a site, that you can track it. So that's the good option of the live link. Some other benefits of the live link is if somebody presses the emergency stop, that we'll get a notification. If the generator gets bumped or moved or dropped incorrectly, that we'll get a notification for that. You get the notification for the service if it's overdue hours. So yeah, it's a great add-on to the generator. Coming from the UK, I know the product. I'm from a plant hire background, so I know JCB as a company, well-known brand, international brand, and they offer a great product. So this is one of the reasons why we took JCB. For us, it's better to have quality than poor quality. The local dealer that we use for any service call-outs is Galadari. We predominantly use the Dubai office, but we have recently used the Abu Dhabi office, and so far, as I said, the backup and service support has been great. I'd recommend JCB to any of our competitors or anybody.